it's a grass-fed butter candle. Grass-fed butter, roasted garlic, thyme, rosemary, and fleur de sel. The butter is from New Zealand. The salt is from France. It's very good ingredients. It's a food-safe beeswax wick, as that muscle butter.
Hello everyone and welcome to Blush Markets. We have our next presenter in 5 minutes at the backstage.
I've been in the charity flowers. So there's that too to factor in. Yeah. It's hard to put a price on.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm just trying to, in my mind, be like, okay, this is roughly gonna be like 3,000, and then
I would budget depending on like how big the wedding is, but
like 50.
50, so like a smaller. Yeah, I'd say like 1,500, right, for the item.
Yeah.
And then maybe another 1,500 for delivery. Yeah. It depends on how picky you are too with the flowers, right? If you pick one that we already have and no custom, it's definitely a lot cheaper.
Okay.
And then if you add in more flowers, it might be a little bit more money. Yeah. But it's really nice, the site. If you go on, pick your item, and then just email us, and then we can package it.
He likes to go on.
And then you could be like, I want to have this.
So cute.
That's the only thing I understand. Have a box
Usually we don't keep boxes because they take up so much room.
Yeah,
So we can wrap them in cloth and put them in totes.
It's like a British cookie.
It's similar to gingerbread.
Yeah, it is kind of like,
Yeah, we lived in the UK, so we have it a lot.
Yeah.
yeah.
It's like a British cookie dessert
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Any other
Yeah.
toppings?
Can I do the chocolate chip?
Sure, of course.
And I think that
Don't forget a fork.
oh yes.
A charcuterie, mobile, luxury charcuterie cards.
Abbotsford and Chilliwack are both home to me, so those would be my focus areas. As I said, we're going to walk through this 7-step process in chunks. And what you're going to the process is elimination. If you see a home online and you see it and you go, yeah, I don't know, this could be hard, then it's going to pass the test through the next phase, and that's what it's amazing. Here's what's more fun. I love going to markets. Read the market rules. That is why I do that. So if you love shopping, then you probably love
Everything's on my list. Yeah. So when you
finish that showing and you go, oh my gosh, it's great. I checked 4 of these 5 boxes. Then that's
I did a show, I was on that wall, and I had like anaphylaxis from all the horses. Like, it was bad. So I've actually put in requests that I'm not on the horse side.
Well, there's dogs in there right now.
Oh, whatever. In that volume, right? You have a good day.